Jay Leshark here for 5 Star Marine. So, today is the 1st of October and this paradise has been healing. Every year, the Thai National Park authorities close Maya Bay to allow the ecosystem to recover. So today, we're going to go and explore how it's doing and see what changes have been made. And also, I love Maya Bay, so I'm very excited about going. And things behind the camera, Alex is here somewhere. Alex, come here and just say hello. Captain's here, Sunwar's here, Nikki here, customer service. There's a whole load of us going down. It's going to be fun. Right then, let's go. For the 2 months, there've been no boats allowed to go right up to the beach behind me. You're only allowed to come up to this buoyed area, okay, which is where we are now. Now, the closure is a key part of protecting the local marine life, coral reefs, and making sure Maya Bay stays stunning for years to come. Right, it's a bit bumpy. And Bang-a-lang-a-ding-dong is having trouble standing up, so we're going to head over and head to Maya Bay. Woo! I love coming to the national park with Alex because he pays. Thanks, Alex, for paying. That's kind of you.
Sean money.
Oh, is it Sean's money? Even better. Woo-woo! Maya Bay, baby! Wow, this place never fails to amaze me. After a 2-month break, you can really feel how refreshed it looks. The authorities have been working hard to keep it this way, and with more efforts to reduce the human footprint. Just don't look behind you to see how many humans there are on this beach right now. But it is the first day it's been open, so maybe there's a few more people here. But anyway, there we go, Maya Bay. It is beautiful. So Maya Bay isn't just about stunning views. The wildlife and the ecosystem here are very fragile. And we've seen increases in marine life, cleaner waters and healthier coral reefs, which is awesome. And each closure, it gets better and better and better. In fact, just behind me are some black-tip reef sharks, which is very cool. So the Thai authorities have worked really hard to balance tourism and conservation. So you're going to be noticed there's a few more areas where tourists can walk around, but there are rules, so you cannot go further than this. You can only go up to your knees. You can't swim here, okay? That's vital. And they only let a certain amount of people on the beach at a certain time, okay? So that's really good. So when you visit with 5 Star Marine, we'll make sure that you enjoy Maya Bay responsibly, because we believe in this sustainable travel and we're proud to be part of the solution. So I've been coming to Maya Bay for years, and every time it reopens it feels like a new beginning. It's a reminder of how delicate these places are and how we need to take care of them. But also you can get good selfies as well, which is nice. So if you're planning a trip to Maya Bay, here are some top tips. Now, book with a responsible company such as 5 Star Marine, but even if you don't book with 5 Star Marine, you should do because you're silly not to. Make sure you go with a responsible company like us and follow the rules set by the park. You have to anyway. And remember, leave nothing but footprints. Thanks.